Alright guys, this is the second installment of Ask and It Shall Be Given. It's a book about manifesting your desires, and I just wanted to go quick over with you guys. Again, my name is Omar Ahumayale. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm gonna just keep on going and hopefully create another like 6 to 10 minute video, and hopefully you guys like what you hear, and hopefully you guys enjoy and learn something about the process. And there's an understanding that makes it all fit together, and that is for feeling to give a consistent and result and successful experience, we need a successful application. That means that we are all vibrational beings, and we're in a vibrational environment where we can feel our allowing connection to full source energy or not, and that if we are allowing our full connection or we're allowing ourselves to feel worse. So I'm super excited to be a vibrational being that translates vibrations, in which you can see emotions as a vibrational interpreter. We're always sending signals of our emotions, their absolute precision, to our emotional connection to who we really are. And never again will you have unanswered questions about your world. You will understand at a very deep level that your own personal experiences, everything about who you are, you have been, and who you are becoming. The law of attraction is the most powerful in the universe. Everything that vibrates has a signal, it's a matching signal back. And like unto itself is drawn. It's the universal manager, the one that matches up, match one another, line up. And it's like turning on your radio signal and your receiver and your matching signals. Radio vibrational frequency must be attraction and mutual agreement. As your experience causes you to launch a vibrational rocket of desires, you must find ways of holding yourself consistently into vibrational harmony with your desires to receive. So, what are you giving your attention? Its offers your attention equals offer equal your asking for an attraction. You have to be in vibrational harmony with what you desire, and you have to imagine it, pretend that you already have it in your experience. Okay? We have to have allowing vibration of the attention, the desire that you really, really want. And sometimes we think about the absence of our desire, and that will get us into trouble. So you get what you think about, whether you want it or not. You draw the essence of whatever you predominantly think about. So if there is something that you're thinking about that you desire, your life experience reflects on those things that you desire. And if you think about the stuff that you do not want, your life experience reflects on those too. So it's very careful about what you hold in your vibration. What's your vibrational difference? You are a summoner of the vibrational energy. What kind of energy are you? You are conscious. You are energy. You are vibration. You are electricity. You are source energy. You are the creator. You are the leading edge of thought. You are the summoner of all energy, and you are a genius. So accept yourself as a vibrational being, vibrate in this vibrational universe. Remove doubt and fear, and bring in the knowledge and confidence and certainty of joy. Because when your desires and beliefs are a vibrational match, that which is like unto itself is drawn. So the vibration of the being must match that vibration of your desire. Your desires and your beliefs must be a vibrational match in order for you to receive that desire. So everything about your personal preferences, you gotta connect to the source who hears you, who adores you, and will immediately answer your vibrational electronic request, whether you are able to put it into conscious words or not. No matter what you ask for, whether you ask for it or with words or not, it's just a subtle impression of your desire, and it's heard and answered every time. And when you ask, it is always given. Thanks again. So all that is benefiting from your experience. Source hears and answers your request, and it expands. So you do exist. You really do. You are a vibrational being. You are perceiving, you are asking, and you are also being answered. So all that is benefiting from your experience. Yeah, you think that you don't mean anything. You are the reason why this earth spins in this universe. Okay, you hold yourself apart from receiving what you're asking for sometimes. So you need to rediscover the art of allowing your natural well-being and your ability to allow the well-being of the universe to flow steadily and unrestricted in your experience. Is called the art of allowing. Allow yourself to do whatever it is that you're here on this earth to do. Don't hold yourself back. Don't get frustrated. Don't get a headache. Be able to be that person that you always wanted to be. And every particle of that which you are that flows through you is part of the well-being, and then you deserve that well-being. And it's natural, and it's your legacy, and it's your source being. And you receive value from right where you are. And the universe is ready for you. Yes, you. God bless you. So if you have personal preferences, you're on the leading edge of thought, and that just all of your experiences, birth into your physical body, you are now all that has ever been experienced, all that is. And there's a desire to be born, the mass summoning and the evolution of our planet, of your personal preferences that are radiating and being answered. So all that has to do with your vibration and your thoughts. You have the summoning power of your desires and your well-being. So that helps you get to your future experience of your current desires and your energy stream. So if you can desire it, the universe can produce it. So just work on your desires and to supply the results that you seek to reach for more, and allow your well-being to flow constantly, to get aligned with it. And there's no desires that you cannot achieve. It works whether you understand it or not, and if you go with the flow of well-being, it's stretched out, and you can allow it or resist it, but it flows just the same. Just something to remember. Sometimes we're resisting and our natural well-being. Don't let that happen to you. Without asking, you will receive no answer. So you have to ask, so you can be able to receive. Every time you don't ask, you're an ass. We also add appreciation, which the people of your times are benefiting dramatically from the experiences of those generations that preceded you, and through those experiences that lived the desire, the summoning began. And the past generations, you are continuing to ask, and you are summoning now. And if you can allow it, achieve your well-being, it's all at your fingertips. And you just have to be in vibrational alignment with it. And sometimes we have traumas, we have intense periods of our life, and Source is responding in kind and asking, and sometimes you're not allowing good things to happen. So you gotta open the floodgates of your well-being and let it in, because you are worthy of it. And I expect good things for you guys to flow. There's always going to be a state of allowing, and your ability to feel worthiness, and it all depends on your degree of resistance. Don't let the resistance happen. Allow yourself to inherit this well-being, whether you like it or not. Choose well-being. Always stay well, and don't pinch the universe. Let it. You are in a perfect position to get there from here. So if you didn't think you could become a YouTuber, today you can become a YouTuber and make content and allow the universe to help you become like Mr. Beast and make millions, give back, and keep on recycling the evolution. You got to deliberately allow your own connection, your stream of well-being, and there could be something called the state of allowing, and that's when you accept the distance between your starting place and your desire to be. And you have to continue to improve and move into the direction of your destination and require the required, whatever it is required to do it, and you are where you want to be, just and easily understood. You are a vibrational transmitter and a receiver, and you're a vibrational being with your eyes, ears, and the universe is empathetic, and it can be, you can be seen as a vibrational transmitter broadcasting signal every moment of your existence, and everything is easily signaling that you are received, understood, and answered, and your present and future circumstances change in response to the signal you are offering now. So everything's about what you're offering. If you're offering greatness, if you're offering enthusiasm, extroversion, love, peace, understanding, that's what the universe responds to. And so that's why right now, the entire universe right now is affected by what you are offering. So keep on offering value, keep on offering good, so that you can keep on being a vibrational transmitter and receiver. You are eternal. You are an eternal personality of the now, and who you are right now is your guidance system, and your powerful beliefs were once a gentle thoughts, and everything that's the bigger part of your vibration is about your beliefs. And in other words, you give more attention to any subject by giving it either harmony or disharmony, and with who you really are becomes stronger. So everything is about inclusion, and your attention invites it in. And you give your attention, expands the universe, and everything is about inclusion. I will repeat that. Everything is about inclusion. What are you offering and including? Offering and including. And you would like the experiences that are include you, not exclude you. And because you do not invite it with your yes and exclude it with your no, because there is no exclusion in this world. Your focus is the invitation, being able to invite your attention to the invitation. So you include something in your counter vibration, the universe accepts that as a point of attraction, and your visionary thrives at all times. Your practice attention, your dominant vibration will match the thoughts that you've been holding. So the stronger your vibrational habits and the more evolved your belief, your powerful beliefs will always be played out in your experience. So we have a hidden value of emotional reactions. Emotions are indicators of your point of attraction, and when you are in alignment with source energy, you are being empowered beings. You're free to create. Your emotions feel your way back to well-being. So when you think that your thoughts ring true and you are in alignment with your source energy, the energy creates worlds to focus on the mind. And you have to be in well-being. 3 steps to whatever you want to be, do, or have. Step 1 is you ask. That's your work. Step 2 is not your work, but the answer is always given. Step 3 is your work, which is the answer, which has been given. And step 2 must be received or allowed. You have to let it in. So those are the 3 steps to asking, and that shall be received. And let's see here. You have to, so basically you ask, and subtle, or even to your desires, clear, precise, vivid desire of asking, and that comes naturally. Step 2 is the universe answers. The universe answers, whether it's a God force, whether it's large or small, you ask for it, and it's fully offered, and it's responded to immediately. And when you ask, it is given every time. But step 3 is you have to allow it. The art of allowing. This is the one that I'm learning a lot. Is you have to be a vibrational frequency of your being to match the vibrational frequency of your desire. Your radio frequency and your desire to hear, the desire frequency must match your frequency of your desire. That's the art of allowing. The art of allowing what you ask for. Unless you're receiving mode, your question, even though you have not been answered, you seem to unanswered to you. Your prayers will not seem to be answered. Your desire will not be fulfilled. Not because you have wishes that have been heard, but because your vibrations are not a match, and so you're not letting them in. So basically, the art of allowing is letting it in, matching your vibration with your allowing. So every subject has two. Either there's the wanted or the not wanted. And your attention must be on what you want, not the lack of it. And now you hold the key